Hello everyone, my name is Khusan, Ismatillaev. The number is 2102018007. Today I will present my project where I fine-tune the tiny Llama model to build intelligent virtual assistant for the airlines industry. The goal of the assistant is to understand customer queries, identify the user intent like booking flights or checking bagaging status, and generate accurate human response. Our airline has years of chat logs that includes a habit, intent, and ideal response. I use this to find the tune a language model so it can predict the user intent response with helpful relevant answer. This can improve automation in customer satisfaction. Data preparation, the data I use it is from Hugging with specifically Bytex, Bystravel, LLM chatbot trains the database. It includes thousands of labeled travel related queries with fields like instruction, the user message, intent, the editing purpose, responses, simple, ideal reply to save resource. I select 50 balances example across all intent. Data preparation, each data sample was transformed into format like this, I want to book flight and book flight intent and response sure I can help with that. Where are you flying from? This combined format helps the model learn intent classification and response generation at the same time. Model choice, tiny LLM script, I choose tiny llama, tiny llama 1.1b chat, with 0 because it compact only 1.1 billion parameters. Optimized for conversation task, suitable for CPU environments like datacamp or collab. I loaded it using Hugging faces of the model for cause LLM slides, fine tuning configuration and script for fine tuning. I use LoRa, low rank adaptation. To save memory. SFTT trainer from the trail manage the training lower config with small values are equal to 4 for efficiency. Only one training steps to kickstart tuning CPU a friendly way. Training execution, you can see there my code we checked about how to fix and understand this code. It's very short due to CPU limitation. Batch size equal to 1, max steps equal to 1 also, and grading accumulation also equal to 1 as well. Despite the minimal training, it demonstrates how to inject the task-specific material into a general purpose language model. A model response after fine-tuning, I tested the model with this input. I'm trying to book a flight. The output was a short response demonstrating that the model understands the task and is learning the answer appropriately based on our dataset. And you can see there what I learned. From this project I learned how to find the tune LLM using the LoRa for low resource environment, how to prepare the data for multitask, learn the intent response, how to use the SFTT trainer for fast and controls fine tuning. The importance of balancing resource constraints with model performance. You can see here's my output I would like information about my checked baggage allowance. How can I find it? It is check baggage allowance. Response there's you can see to retrieve your checked baggage allowance details, please follow these instructions. And you can see there's visit website URL link and or launch application name, and you can log your personal account and select the like booking option section, enter the required booking flights information, the specific baggage allowance for your trip will be like displayed. And there's you can see like converting train data is just like a 0%, and there's like a 0.50 and examples. If line chassis temperature train that is like 0.50 is also tokenizing, and the truncation trains data set also as well same thing. And like you can see like fine tune like complete minimal tips environment. And conclusion, I'm gonna say that um what I learned and what I understand from this project during the making this project. To conclusion, I successfully fine-tuned the tiny LLMA to act as a smart travel asset. While the training was minimal, the pipeline is now ready for the larger scale fine-tuning when more resources are available. And I learned this, and I hope you will get me and you understood like how I did this project, and you will get it good. I hope, and I will wait for your comments and your feedback about this presentation. And thank you very much for listening, and like we'll continue recording this kind of videos in my YouTube channel, and I will wait for you guys. Thank you very much.